Question 11 is 4 marks. The question gave you this triangle and they told you the area of this triangle is 240. Work out the perimeter of the triangle. You can pause the video and try it yourself. So there are different ways to do this. You can use the formula for the triangle. I don't want to do that. I just want to make it a rectangle. Now, if the area of this triangle is 240, the area of this also is going to be 240, right? So the area of the whole shape is 480, isn't it? Now, if this is 30, 30 times what makes 480? Is 480 divided by 30. Plug this in your calculator. It gives you 16. We got this one. We don't need all this. Thank you. Bye. All right. Now the question asks you to find the perimeter. To find the perimeter, you need to add all the sides. 30 plus 16 plus this one, which we don't know. Since it's a right angle triangle, we'll use Pythagoras. A, B, C. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So C squared is equal to 30 squared plus 16 squared. That means C is equal to the square root of 30 squared plus 16 squared. It's calculator allowed. So plug this in your calculator and you get C equal 34. Now we don't need all this. Let's get rid of it. To find the perimeter, you just add. So 16 plus 34 plus 30. This plus this plus this. And that's 80. And that's your answer for this question. It's 4 marks. It's easier than you expect. You just don't panic. You just take it easy. You calm down. Question 12.